So the first thing you want to do in order to add samples to your FL Studio's library is locating your FL Studio's directory. You can do that by right clicking on the shortcut, open file location. From there you can create a new folder, name it whatever you want, and that would be the folder of all your future samples. Now that you've created the folder, select the sample, then right click, copy, go back to the folder you just made and paste it there. Now for the sample to show up on FL Studio, go to Options, File Settings, then locate the new folder containing all your samples. As you can see, your folder is now shown in the browser. If you want to add other samples, you can do the same thing by just copying the sample into the My Samples folder. Go back to FL Studio, click the refresh button, then your sample will show up. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching.